In today's video, I'm going to be making an avocado smoothie using an avocado, some bananas, plant-based yogurt, almond milk. Sweeter, you can add honey. I'm recording this video on my iPhone 13, so please let me know in the comments below if you have the iPhone 13 or if you like the quality of this video. Let's get started. Cut the avocado. You want to use half of an avocado. You don't need to use the whole thing.
This is gonna be good if I listen.
Avocado. That's exactly what you want your avocado to look like. Next, you want to go ahead and scoop it out. Can you still see it dry? To your blender. Fresh banana, or come closer. On top of the frozen ones. Or frozen bananas, which I'm going to use right now. I'm going to add some plant-based yogurt, not too much. Yogurt almost every morning with some granola on top, but today I'll just add it to the smoothie. Since I'm not adding any honey, I decided to add some pineapples. Just pouring in some almond milk. This smoothie is great for weight loss, so if you want to lose weight, you should definitely give it a try. Great meal for breakfast, so if you don't feel like cooking eggs and bacon and pancakes, definitely try the smoothie. Alright guys, so I'm loving my new iPhone 13. I have some more videos coming out for you guys, but let me try this awesome avocado smoothie that I made at home. I'm always buying this, so let's try it. Very good. Very good, very creamy. I can say that I could have added honey, maybe a little bit. But there's like the pineapples helped out a bit. So if you want to be more healthy and not use any sugars, I say make it this way. If you want to have a little bit more sweet, maybe like a teaspoon of honey. Good. Let me know in the comments if you plan to try it. Let me know if you like the quality of this iPhone 13, and I'll see you guys in my next video.